Magandang umaga po at welcome po sa ating programa, May Morning Manna with Pastor Oji. Buksan po natin ang ating mga Biblia sa aklat po ng Psalms chapter 131, verse 2. Ito po pagkasabi, "Surely I have come and quieted my soul, like a weaned child with his mother." Sa umaga pong ito, pag-uusapan po natin ang topic na nagsasabing authentic Christian. Sabi ng Psalms, I have come and quieted my soul like a weaned child with his mother. Remember that when we are in the presence of God, we are mostly assured. Hindi ibang tao ang mag-a-assured ng ating pagiging Kristiyano, kundi ang ating Panginoon mismo sa kanyang mga salita. Oo, nakakatulong ang pastor, friends, yung mga rules, yung mga books, mga small groups, nakakatulong po siya para po tayo palaguin bilang Kristiyano. But what matters most is our personal relationship with God. Because authentic Christianity is the inside-out expression of this dynamic relationship with Jesus that provides the strength to live for His glory, regardless of what is happening on the outside. Whatever people are saying against us, remember that it's us, it's between God and you. It's what matters most, our relationship with Him. Kasi yun po yung tunay na kahulugan ng pagiging authentic Christian. Mula sa loob hanggang sa labas, makikita yung pagiging Kristiyano. And it doesn't matter kung ano man ang sasabihin ng tagalabas. What matters most ay yung relationship po natin sa ating Panginoon, personal relationship. Last point po na gusto kong ibahagi. When you open your heart to the Savior, He opens your mind to His Word. It means that when we come to His presence, God helps us. When we have a personal relationship with Him, God will open us an opportunity to understand His Word, to go deeper with His Word. So be reminded today, develop a good relationship with God because that's the true essence of authentic Christianity. God bless po at magandang umaga.